Hi guys! For today's mini video, andito tayo ngayon sa Victoria Sports Tower. May pupuntahan tayong unique coffee shop, ang Cafe Meadow. Perfect kung gusto mo ng drinks na may konting surprise. Hindi lang sila pang coffee lovers, nag-offer din sila ng non-coffee drinks, plus may pastries, cakes, and pasta pa. Perfect pang slow days at chill moments. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung vibe. Super relaxing, super aesthetic, yung tipong paisip ka kung mag-work ka ba talaga o magpapahinga muna. The highlight of Cafe Meadow is their Meadow bag for iced drinks. Bag siya pero drink ang laman. Take note, available lang siya for dine-in only. Nag-request ako sa barista na ma-experience yung pagbuhos ng milk and matcha. And honestly, ang satisfying niyang panoorin at ang saya kasi alam mong hindi ka mabibitin. I ordered their iced matcha latte. Ang sabi ng barista, equivalent daw siya sa 4 cups ng 16 ounce. So kung mahilig ka sa matcha, coffee or kahit non-coffee lover, is once worth trying. Tingnan nyo naman, super cool. Parang gusto kong iuwi yung glass bag. Pero good thing may smaller version silang binibenta. Just ask the barista na lang. Now, let's taste it. I really love the matcha latte. Sakto lang yung tamis at lasang-lasa mo talaga yung matcha. I also tried their Toyo Aglio Olio. Simple pero super satisfying. So if you're looking for a chill, dine-in coffee spot na may coffee, non-coffee at kakaibang experience, visit Cafe Medo here at Victoria Sports Tower. Yun lang muna for now. Bye-bye!